Okay, now the stock injector right there. We need a different injector to tune on E85 gas for him. But now it's still on the pump gas. Man, I see a lot of fan word right here, boy. Hit it. Straight right here a little bit. That's good enough. How you feel now?
Excited.
Excited, huh?
Yeah.
Excited for tuning, huh?
Really excited.
Hi guys, welcome back to Pham's Legend channel. Car dealership name is Pham Motorsport. This one is a 98 Integra GSR. For us to do the turbo right now, it's precision turbo. Let me show you around the car real quick. So please subscribe if you haven't to, like and share this video. So let it begin. Hey man, don't shake your head, man. Turbo about coming in the shop right now. Có clip. Nhưng mà bộ hộp nó có màu tím vậy. There's the owner right here, guys. Wow. Come in for turbo. It's too low on the ground, almost hit the oil pan, and we have to put a spacer here so we can lower it down.
Yep.
No, it's not low. Not that low. Put wood on, guys. Our car pops the hood. Gonna be turbo. This already turbo. Yeah, turbo. Going turbo. You can see everything is here, but the turbo haven't installed yet, and some of the valve cover bolt is missing, and we have to. So the timing was put on by the owner, and we're gonna recheck it, double check it again, see it's okay, like that. So ready. The turbo gonna put on here, and this is a thick spacer, so it prevents to touch the turbo manifold. This is a built engine b18c1 with the head on it too, so very clean. I don't know how much is the horsepower yet, but after we put a turbo in, when we tune it, and we're gonna decide how many pound of boost, and that's gonna be how much of the horsepower to go up. And what kind of turbo is this? Precision turbo. Trenton, huh? Yeah. Plug the turbo and tie it down. Put the turbo on there. Put it on. It's on. It's on the hoist already, and my brother do the fap on the exhaust pipe and the down pipe. Call the hoist and we fabricate. That's all. The pipe is bubble going down. And the process everything together. Really nice now, and Pham on that one too. Look at this. Look at them too. Nice, man. The way it route, I like it already. bumper is already add on, so everything. Let you see the front of the car. Woo! Very nice. Very, very nice. My first start. Okay, say something. Say something. A little bit smoother now. Time to get the what is this? Megan Racing bar in. Yeah, more stabilizer guys. Còn cũng quay luôn thôi. Còn lên ga. Yeah man, come on. Let me lift up a little bit, see what happens. Yeah. Need to tune it, man. Okay. Put this thing on. What's that? Blocks. On this car. Who's this guy?
It's right yesterday, right here.
Yeah.
Mom be YouTube famous or whatever, bro? Damn.
And then it start the truck, man. And you feel very important, man. Look how many people here doing your car, man.
Wow.
For real.
You charge more for that, man.
Yeah, you have to pay extra for that. This is the owner right here, right? Clean up all the part here, man. Yeah. Carry it out. This truck's done. Done for today. Woo! Tired. Say something.
Yo, yay.
Well, he got too excited to step on a little bit. Hopefully the motor not jump out. Knock, take it out. Time to drive out, but this time we're not gonna tune it yet because the owner is still using the stock injector. So we move out to let him clean the car, and when he got a different injector, we're gonna tune it later. Yep. And we're gonna drive out, guys. Woo. See the motor. Party. Woo. Come on, baby.
Man, right here.
Our job is to put a turbo in for him, for the owner. The motor, everything is already in there ready. The owner swapped it in already. So we haven't touched that. Our job is finish the turbo. And maybe tune later. See how healthy this motor is. And turbo car sounds sick. Sounds so sick. Turbo. Here's we use a Honda and it's a P275. Honda's in there. Look at all this, man. All the wire. All the wire diagram. 98 years old. The engine sounds okay now. So stock injector right there. We need a different injector to tune on E85 gas for him. But now it's still on the pump gas. Man, I see a lot of fan word right here, boy. Passport mount. AEM. Aero prop. Coil plug. Tail weight. Tail flow outbound. Race gauge. Precision turbo. Cascade. And at least on me right here already. B18c1. Missy motor intercooler. I saw the receipt later. Radiator too. Aluminum. All kind of good stuff here. Can't even see the turbo spool because it's right here at home already. This strut been hit, the last one. The old one is hit the strut tower, so damaged a little bit on that side too. Boost controller right there, so we can crank up the boost if you want to, you know, anytime. This is invoice for Trent and Jim. It's a GSR that we all do here. All the rest of that, turbo, Honda, reclaim, coolant, rewire, everything like that. That's a lot of money involved. So, but we don't list up the amount of money yet. But the owner already paid for everything already. Just what you see that we are doing here. My brother just adjust a little bit for him so he can drive it for a little bit, but not aggressive. So just go for a quick drive, not aggressive or anything like that. It's not tuned yet, but Trenton one just wanna feel his car,
Yeah.
a little bit. Yeah.
New clutch.
New clutch. He gets used to it yet? Yeah.
Which way should I go?
Just got that way, yeah. Okay, on the road. Here we go. On the road again. Go this lane here. This lane and turn there and go back. That's it. Don't go too far yet.
Okay.
Hey, watch out for the oil leak. Yeah, bounce, guy. Bounce! Woo! Oh my god. Okay. Hit it. Straight right here a little bit. That's good enough. How you feel now?
Excited.
Excited, huh?
Yeah.
Excited for tuning, huh?
Really excited.
Yep. This is the first Honda, right?
First Honda.
First Honda and already boosted, guy. First Honda. Woo. Swift smooth. Slow, but it's okay.
I'm having too much fun.
Yeah. Okay. Still not a professional yet. You know. Not professional yet, but it's okay. He's still hanging. Later he will race, man. Everybody out there. So it's time to drive back to the shop. Pham Motorsport. Pham Legend, guy. Yep, drive straight to the lift. What you doing?
I missed it.
What? beautiful donut in here, guys. A donut. But we missed it already. I just ate and it bounced. You better watch out on the roof right here. That's been a while, huh? How long it been parked? Right through the right in the lift too. Yep, back on the lift, guy. The exhaust make a lot of rattle noise. Yeah. Later we're gonna fix it for him. Oh, that's a dual clutch. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And see you in the next time. Peace. Thank you. It's on 10 pounds already. But next time we'll be aggressive to tune on E85 with new injector. Car wash time been sitting here for a long time. Tow it here, drive it home. That's how it is. Always, boy. Bonus.